Exhale. Nice one. Good afternoon, Rock Nation. I'm Aster, your PT on the go, and I'm a chiropractic specialist. Now, kasama natin sa clinic ngayon si Sir
JB.
Sir JV. Ayan. Sir JV, ano po yung nagpa-decide sa inyo? Bakit po kayo napapunta sa ating clinic?
Wala sir, parang sarap lang.
Parang masarap lang. At least gusto mong matry at the same time at makarecover yung lahat ng pagod ng buong katawan mo. Okay? Sige, titignan natin. Magkakaroon tayo ng physical examination para makita natin lahat ng nangyayari sa buong katawan mo. Kung ano na yung meron at kung ano ba yung pwede nating ma-improve pa. Okay? Sige, ngayon, posture up. Yan. O, pagka nakaganito ka, comfortable naman.
Yes sir.
Wala namang nangangalay.
Wala namang coach.
Very good. Okay, sige. Ngayon, tingin sa left. Yun. Tingin sa right side. Good. Anything? Stiffness, tightness?
Wala.
Tingala ka. Yan. So, good. At least 45 degrees extension. May konting tension here.
Dito sir.
Yan. Right here. Good. Ngayon, yuko. Good. I'll push you down. How's this? Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Good. Ngayon, tignan natin yung traps muscles mo. Here, shoulders. Go all the way up. Dikit sa tenga. Yan, kamusta naman to?
Okay lang.
Wala naman masyadong masikip. Okay? Harap. Ilagpas sa tenga. Yan, kamusta ito? And here.
Okay lang po.
Mahirap ng konti. Mabigat lang ng
itong
konti.
kaliwa sir.
Itong left. Okay, sige, down. Tignan naman natin yung rhomboid support and lateral muscle support. Here, this one. Ready? Go. Twist. Yan. O, ito medyo masikip na ng konti. Here. How's this? Masikip.
Yes sir.
Okay, sige. Kabila. Go. Kamusta ito?
Okay lang.
Okay lang din. Sige, stand up. Yan. This one, sa balakang. Ready? Go. Okay, up. Kamusta ito?
Dito sir. Makit.
Sa banda. Here? Yan. Sobrang sakit ba? From 1 to 10. 10 yung highest pain.
Mga 5 lang po.
5. Okay. Ngayon, forward bend. Tignan natin kung ano yung makikita nating movement ng iyong spine and deformations. Up ng konti. Yan. So, you have a misalignment. A little. Medyo mataas lang ito ng konti. So, at least, andun pa naman yung natural curve ng spine at natural pwesto ng spine. Up ng konti. Very good. Yan. Alright, last one up. Yoko. Okay, sige, good. So, general, tawag nito, concern ay yung mga muscles lang. Dala lang ito ng mga ginagawa mo sa buhay, daily lives, at hindi maayos na, walang interval na stretching, kumbaga. Go. Down. Up. Kamusta to?
Okay lang
Natunog?
din po sir.
Wala namang masakit?
Wala naman.
Very good. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin, general technique at general stretching and power stretch para at least mas makita mo yung difference kung ano yung state of feeling mo ngayon at pagkatapos natin. Makikita mo na rin yung iba't ibang results, especially sa inner hip, kung mai-unlock natin yung pinaka-full range of motion mo. Okay? Para at least walang limitation sa pagtakbo, walang limitation sa dynamic movements and lateral movements. Okay? Pagka naglalaro ka ng basketball. Alright? Sige. Ready ka na?
Yes po.
Alright. Chest and pelvis movement. Taas mo itong legs mo. Up. Yan. Sige, taas. Mabigat, may ngalay, hindi. Wala.
Wala po.
Wala naman. Okay, sige, kabila. Yun. Mabigat, may ngalay, wala.
Wala naman.
Wala. Very good. So, at least. Tignan mo na lang yung pinaka-normal. Dapat andito siya at least. Right here. Masikip? Medyo. Okay. So, at least, mai-unlock natin yan ng mas full. Okay? Sige, down. Dahil lang naman yan sa mga muscles. Here. This one. Iliac crest. First, cross feet. Right here. Let's see. I'll press this one. Good. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Relax the shoulder. Good one. Okay, so clear naman ito. Now, we have to stretch your quads to unlock your pelvis and iliac crest. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Good one. Buga mo yan. Hinga. Exhale. Very good. Nice. Last one. Go. Hinga. Exhale. Good. That's it. Lumbar spine. Hinga again. Exhale. Good. Nice. Here. Open. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Good one. Again. Go. Very nice. Last one. Go. Hinga. Exhale. So good. Lumbar. Again. That's it. Here. Next, sa ating sacrum. Gagawin mo ay itataas mo yung dalawang legs mo. Okay? Sabay. Engage your putan. Okay? Ready? Go up. Yan. Good. Tigasan ng puwet. Tigasan ng puwet. Good. Okay. Very clear naman. At walang masyadong tension sa iyong sacrum. This one here. So, ito yung medyo nakataas, no? Yan. Kamusta ito? Wala namang pain.
Wala na.
Very clear. Good. Right here. And right there. Good. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Good one. So, clear. Okay? So, iba yung technique na gagamitin natin later on. Right here. Hinga. Exhale. Nice one. Good. How's it? Good. Upper side right here. Ready? Inhale again. Exhale. That's it. Good. Right here. Last one. Hinga. Down, down, down. Exhale. That's it. Right there. Clear. Good one. Clear. Nice. Here. Good. Clear. Last one. Good one. Alright, here. From cervical to thoracic junction. Right here. I'll press this one. Ito. Right there. Okay, I'll turn this one. Good one. Here. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Relax on shoulder. Good one. That's it. Here. This one. So upper. Right there. Ready? Hinga malalim. Exhale. Relax on shoulder. Good. That's it. Wow. Dami yan. And pull. Sige, relax lang. Hinga. Exhale. Good. Clear. Hinga again. Exhale down. Good. Last one. Hinga. Down. Clear. Okay, good. Down. Yan. So, bibigyan kita later on ng stretching na the best. No? Gagawin mo ito ng at least every 30 minutes while working. Pwedeng gawin yan. Okay? So, good. At least. Ngayon, tignan natin ulit yung paa mo. Okay? Movement. Go, legs up. Sige, go up. Yan. Kanina sabi ko, ang normal is about here. Kamusta ito pagka tinataas natin? Maluwag na?
Yes.
Mas lighter? Good. Kabila. Good. How's this? Same. Good. Okay, ngayon dito tayo. At saka dito. Yung malalim na part. Sit down ka. Yakap sa sarili. Relax ang shoulder. Good. Yoko. Good. This one. Right there. Ready? Relax ang katawan. Hinga. Exhale. Good one. Upper side. Ready? Hinga again. Yoko, yoko, yoko. Good. Okay? Open. Ito, malalim na part. Right here. Open na yung kamay. Ngayon, tignan natin ang iyong batok. Hawak sa kamay ko. Ibaba ang siko. Yan. Relax ang shoulder. Good. Ready? Inhale again. Exhale. That's it. Thank you. Good. Clear. Good one. Good one. First, our metatarsal na tinatawag. Right here. Good one. Right there. Lower side. Clear. Lower and middle. Clear. Next is our navicular bone. Good. Next is for our talus bone. Here. Sa ating middle ankle support. Here. Clear. Oh, good naman ito. Nasa full range of motion naman. One up. Good. Relax ito. Legs one up. Good. Okay. So, clear naman ito. Good. Next is for your heel. Turn in. Relax ito. Turn in. Good one. Nice. Okay. Good. Naramdaman mo rin sa inner hip. Yan. Kabila. Good. Here. Clear. Middle. Clear. On the navicular bone. Relax ito. You have to turn out. Good. Clear naman. So, kabila. Talus bone. Right there. Clear. Good. Last one. Good. Next. Cuboid bone. Right there. Good one. Next, for your heel, we have to turn in. Turning in and pull. Nice one. Here. Good. Okay. At least, very good naman ito. At wala masyadong significant movements na pwedeng mag-trigger ng iba't ibang injuries and subluxation na tinatawag. Here, this one. Good one. Good one. Here. For your meniscus and with your groin muscles. That's it. Clear. Good. Okay. Relax ito. Good one. Next, dito na tayo. Yung sacroiliac joint at balakang. Okay, so clear. Ready, stretching. Inhale. Exhale. Good one. That's it. Strong. Locked. Okay? Ready? Just relax. Inhale. Huwag magtitira ng hangin sa tiyan. Exhale. Okay, so good. Last one, stretching. 2, 3, 4, 5. Good one. At least very healthy and very intact yung lumbar spine mo. Okay? Let's natin ito. Good. Relax ang elbow. Good. Here. Good one. Last one here. Stretch. Hold. Relax. Yeah. Relax ang elbow. Good. Out. Pull. And turn. Turn out. Good. So clear. Now. Elbow. Relax ang elbow. Okay, good. That's it. Here. Turn. Rotation. Good one. Lower side. Very good. Very loose. Okay? May pain? Wala. Last one. Very nice. Okay, last one. Good. Let's see again. Oh, how is it now? Wala nang masyadong natunog at loose na rin kahit pa paano. So clear. Stretch it. Good one. So good. Here. Lower. Good. Okay? Any pain?
Wala.
Ngayon, sa leg na tayo. Good. Just relax. Right here. So, this is your cervical number 1 to number 3. Right there. Okay? Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Yan. Just relax your shoulders. Good one. That's it. Same. Kasi wala namang masyadong disorder at problema sa ating muscles and compression with your cervical spine. Right there. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Relax ang shoulder. Good. That's it. Okay. So, a manual traction for your cervical spine. Okay? So, kakaibahan sa ating ginagawang technique, which is a safety standard. Okay? Ang ginagawa natin is more about bouncing it. Okay? Hindi natin ginagawa yung sobrang lakas na pwersa, yung napapanood natin yung sobrang lakas. Hindi ganon. Okay? Ginagawa natin is really calculating all the tensions, at kung ano yung kailangan nating i-apply na pwersa. So, mostly ay you have to click it. Hindi masyadong sobrang lakas. Okay? So this time, bite your teeth. Yan, natural. Kagat ang teeth na natural. Exhale sa ilong. So we have to check, yan, the rotation, lateral movements. Good. Very good naman. So at least ngayon, ika-calculate na natin with the movement and bouncing. Hinga. Exhale. Yan. Movement and bouncing. Good. Alright. Nice one. Here. Inhale again sa ilong. Good. Exhale sa ilong. Yan. Good. That's it. Ang dami.
Dami.
Inhale and exhale. Pakiramdaman ng sarili kung merong nalay or merong pain na nararamdaman. Okay? Yan. Sabihin mo sa akin. After this one, focus na tayo sa iyong muscles. Okay lang. Wala namang nalay.
Wala.
Walang pain. Good. Hanggang saan mo siya naramdaman?
Hanggang dito.
Ayun. Diba? So at least hindi na natin kakailanganin yung sobrang lakas ng puwersa na. Ayan. Hindi natin ginagawa yan. Okay. Kabila. That's one. Good. So, about 9/10 yung physical examination, which is good and very good. Kasi wala ka namang major na injuries or concerns. At the same time, normal muscles, ngalay, bigat ng muscles, okay? Yun lang naman ang pinaka nagiging problema. Okay? Ayan, ang gagawin ko, squeeze mo ito, no? Pigilan mo ako. Yan, tapos pupush kita dito. Pigil. Okay? Ready? Go. Pigil. Lakas, lakas. Lakas pa. Sige pa. Lakas pa. Very good. Again. Lakas pa. Go. Very firm. No? Firm naman lahat ng muscle support doon sa ating rotator cuff. Very good yan. Kabila. Ready? Go. Pull. Yung. That's it. Last one. Lakas. Very good. Okay. Kabila. Let's see. Pull this one. Ready? Press. Very firm. Now, dito na tayo sa acromioclavicular joint. Relax na ito. Yan. Let's see. Lose this one. We have to turn in. Like this one. Good. Okay? Here. And last one there. Clear. And then rotator cuff. Yuko. Relax ito. Good one. Good. That's it. Kaya? This one. Ready? That's it. Last one. Good. Yuko, yuko, yuko. Good. So clear. Good. Okay? Ngayon, bigyan natin to. Sige, kakapain ko ha. Okay. Taas mo yung kamay mo again. Sideward. Good. Sige, side. Sige, go. Down. Good. Go up. Yan. Sige, down. O, kamusta? Anong napansin mo? Hindi na masyadong sobrang tumutunog.
Yeah.
Okay? Yung normal is about here na nagkakatamaan dun sa ating rotator cuff at saka dito sa ating acromioclavicular joint. Okay? Bibigyan kita ng exercise to improve this one. Muscle support and tendon support para mas maging firm yung kapit at mabawasan yung mga nagkikis-kisan tumutunog. Okay? Okay, relax. Yun. So, ang ginagawa natin is about releasing the ear pressure para mas maging maayos yung airflow at maging okay yung ating hearing senses. Okay? And at the same time, para makakalma yung ating recovery ng ating temple muscles to prevent those muscles, to prevent those migraine and headaches. Okay? Here. This one. Right there. Snap, snap, snap. Oh. Kabila. This one. Ready? Relax ito. Snap, snap, snap. Oh. Akin yung tumunog. Okay. Wala naman shadow sa'yo dito. Clear. Lower side. Clear. Then, this is the sensitive part of the ears. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good afternoon again, Rock Nation, and we're done with Sir
JB.
JV. O Sir JV, kamusta ang experience ng ating therapy? Which is the advanced technique of the chiropractic therapy. Kamusta?
Wala naman po masarap.
Wala namang masakit sa'yo?
Wala naman.
Good. Ayan. Natakot ka ba?
Hindi po.
Hindi naman. Nice. Ayun. So, most of pakiramdam mo nung una at pagkatapos, anong pinagkaiba?
Medyo maginhawa na.
Mas parang light ang pakiramdam. Okay? Very good ang iyong pangangatawan. As much as possible ay wala kang masyadong bugbog na katawan or excessive na paggamit ng katawan like sa pagtatrabaho, pagbubuhat ng mabibigat, at yung pagbabasketball is normal naman na ginagawa natin. Wag lang susobra talaga. Okay? At wag lang sanang matamaan ng kung anumang injuries na pwede nating makuha. Okay? So at least maingat ka naman. And ang pinakagagawin mo, ito. Okay? Yung exercise about here. This one. Ito. Yan. O, inhale. O, pwede nyo gawin ito. Go, inhale. Diretso yung siko. Labas ang chest. Inhale and exhale. Okay? So, pwede mong gawin yan every after 30 minutes to remind you, okay, na kailangan mong maayos at hindi laging nakaganito. Okay? Kasi once you getting older, lahat ng mga masasanay na muscles natin ay pwedeng manigas. At lagi ka nang sobrang nakaslouch. Okay? Marami akong pasyente nagkakaroon na rounded na yung likod dahil sa sobra nilang laging nakaganito.
Dito po, makukuha yan.
Yes. Okay? So, ganito is about reminder and improving your back muscle support at yung spine mo ay mas magiging better. Okay? Yan. So, at least ito ay mas marami ng muscles area na matatamaan to recover all the ngalay, all the pain sa lahat ng pwede mong ginagawa like your busy works. Okay? Alright?
Yes.
So, ang pinakapaalala ko lang, be aware and be conscious sa iyong posture. Okay? Kasi ito talaga yung magdadala. Ang pangit kasi pagka lagi tayo nakaganyan. Okay? Sobrang lazy. Ano, parang ganito. At least maganda pa tignan pagka nakaganito ka. Alright? Very good. Thank you so much for trusting.
Thank you rin po.
Alright? Yan.